Today, we ride the Paternoster Elevator of Death, located in our hotel, the Acom Hotel in Cologne. It's scary at the very top. We did need to bring our bikes upstairs to our room, but we decided this wouldn't be the safest way to do it, as there's no e-stop or any kind of safety features inside the elevator. This is so much more efficient than a regular elevator. Third floor. Oh, there's 7 floors. I don't know why I'm so nervous. You gotta ride it all the way up. I feel like it's a roller coaster that's just gonna drop all of a sudden. And now we're gonna ride it down into the basement and see what the switchover looks like. When you get to the bottom, this big greasy cog shifts the elevator to the right, and then it turns into the up elevator. The building was built in 1925, so I assume the Paternoster is from that date as well. The Paternoster is locked behind this door, but I just tailgated one of the employees through and gained access. They didn't seem to mind.